Found an XCK file in some old software collection and curious what it does? This is an extended data file historically associated with software modification tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to identify and handle these files safely. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading XCK file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. XCK files are extended data files, historically used by certain software modification utilities to store, patch data, or configuration changes for executables. They contain binary modifications addressing offsets and replacement byte sequences used by patcher applications to alter software behavior or functionality. XCK files use a binary format with header information, identifying target executables, file size signatures, and patch entries. Each entry contains a memory or file offset original byte sequence for verification and replacement bytes to apply along with metadata describing the patch purpose and version compatibility. The ideal software for creation and opening of XCK is unknown software from unknown developer. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. We'll systematically check the compatibility list. Right-click your XCK file, then click Open With. Test unknown software. If you see it, if it fails, select the next program. This organized testing is vital. If you are still having trouble opening the XCK file, do not worry. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the XCK file. First, identifying file origin. Use a hex editor like HXD or 0110 editor to examine the XCK file header for signatures or readable strings indicating its source application. The first few bytes often contain a magic number or text identifier, revealing which patcher or modification tool created the file, enabling proper handling. Next, opening with original tool. If the XCK file is from a known patcher application, install that specific tool to load and apply the patch data. The patcher reads the XCK file and applies modifications to a target executable. Always back up the original file before applying any patches to enable rollback if needed. Finally, scanning for safety. Before handling any XCK file scan it with antivirus software like Malwarebytes or Windows Defender. Files associated with software modification can sometimes contain malicious payloads. Verify the source and legitimacy of the XCK file and only run associated tools in isolated environments like virtual machines for safety. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.